you go. Use that.
There you go. You're okay. Stay within. Stay within. Stay within. Stay within. There you go. Good.
Here you go. Push her out. Push her out. Push her out.
Use it. Use it. Use it. Okay. Settle. Settle. No. No.
No, don't reach here. Don't reach here. Come on, Kels, drive in. There you go.